Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we're gonna talk about my perfume collection and I'm gonna rank the Kayali perfumes, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, like usual, I didn't film this makeup, but I will list down below everything that I have on my face, and as well I'm gonna put in the description box all of these perfumes. And I need to say that I'm not a perfume girl. I really like perfumes, but I'm not the best at describing scents. So I have all the notes for these perfumes. I think that could be very helpful. But let's start with the Kayali ones and let's rank them, because I really like Kayali perfumes in general. And I bought a discovery set, so I do want to rank all of these. And then I do have the newer one, the Vanille Royale. It is Vanilla Royale, and I do have this one as well, so I want to rank all of these. They are 9 perfumes in total, so let's start with the bottom one, the number 9, and that one, in my opinion, it is the Sweet Diamond one. So I will stay in this corner just to put a picture in here with the notes. I do like the pepper side of it, because as you can see, the top notes is pink pepper, saffron, bergamot, and the royal lily, but the florally part of it I don't like in general. I prefer sweet perfumes, but not the florally sweet ones. I do like the base notes, so sandalwood, amber, patchouli, and musk. I really like all of them, but the middle notes are all flowers, and this is not my favorite perfume. But if you like something florally and a bit spicy, this one is pretty nice. It's just not my favorite. In the number 8 we have the Utopia Vanilla Coco, and I'm gonna put the picture again. I really like coconut in scents, but this one again, it is pretty florally, so that's the reason I don't like it. It is so strange for me to smell my fingers. I'm sorry for that. In my opinion, the coconut smell is pretty light, so mostly I smell the tuberculose, the jasmine, the middle notes with the flowers, and then a bit of coconut milk, but not enough for me to love this perfume, so that's the reason this one is the number 8. Then we have the number 7, the Déjà one, and again, this one is a very florally perfume. I'm gonna put in here the notes. This one has some fruits in the top notes, but I really don't smell that. I really just smell again the flowers and maybe a bit of the sandalwood and something like that, but again, too florally for my taste. That's the reason it is a bit lower. In the number 6 we have the invite only one, and looking at the notes I thought that this would be way higher, because I really like darker perfumes, deep notes, and something like the tobacco leaves, sour cherry again sounds very nice, and this one has cinnamon, which I really love, and then the base notes are lovely with the amber and the oud, vanilla, everything sounds lovely. So this for sure is not one of my favorites from the Kayali perfumes. I just don't like the combination of something fruity with the tobacco leaves. I didn't know that, but now I know it is not a good combination for me. In the next spot we have the Musk one, and this was surprising to me because I really like it. It is a pretty simple perfume. As you can see, the notes are pretty simple. In general, I do like musk in perfumes, but whole perfumes dedicated to musk, this is pretty interesting, and I do really like it. I know that my father really likes musk perfumes, and now I pretty much understand, because it is a universally flattering perfume, and I really like this one. This one was a pretty interesting scent. The next 4 I really like. In the number 4 we have the Lovefest Burning Cherry one, and this is lovely. Top notes is burning cherry, raspberry, and bergamot. So this one, it is a fruity scent, and I really like it because it is a dark perfume. The burning cherry scent is not staying on the skin for a very long time, but then you are left with a dark perfume and a pretty sexy one in my opinion, so I do really like it. In my opinion, a more nighttime scent, but of course you can wear your perfume at any time, in any season, so it doesn't matter, but that is just my opinion. I really like this one. It is very, very nice. In the third spot, we have the Vanilla 28, and I really like this one. It is very, very nice vanilla scent. Even though if you are looking at the notes, it doesn't have normal vanilla. It has vanilla orchid, which again, I don't prefer a flower, but the rest of the notes are so lovely. And I forgot to mention, all of these notes are from Fragrantica, so that is that. And like I said, I really like this perfume. Again, it is a pretty sexy perfume in my opinion. It is lovely, and I really like the brown sugar and the amber and the musk and the amberwood. The flower part, the top notes, is not that strong. I really like this scent. Is one of my favorites. I do like the Vanilla Royale one more than I like the Vanilla 28 because it is a more complex scent, a deeper perfume, a sweet perfume, a really sweet perfume. I really like it. It is called the Sugared Patchouli, and it is so yummy. If you don't like a sweet scent, this will not be for you. This is lovely. I really, really like it, and I am very happy that I decided to purchase it. And the number one, it is the Eden Apple one, because like I mentioned, I really like a fruity perfume. I bought this one in a mini, but I do have it in the Discovery set as well, so I do have two of these, but I already knew that this is my favorite one, so I wanted to have it in a bigger bottle. I actually wanted to buy the full size when Sephora was having some sales, but it was out of stock. It is a fruity scent, but it's not that sweet, so if you don't like something very, very sweet, I think you will actually really like this one. So this was the ranking with the Kayali perfumes, but now let's talk about the other perfumes in my collection, and we're gonna start with this one. This is the Ajmal Cerise perfume. It is really nice. It is a fruity perfume. I'm gonna put the notes in here. I really like it. It is a more light perfume. It doesn't stay on the skin the best. It is more fresh but still sweet. I really like it, but like I said, I prefer it in the spring and in the summer months. Next we have the Ariana Grande Cloud, and the notes are lavender, pear and bergamot. In general, I don't love lavender, but it is not strong in this one. But the middle notes are so lovely. We have whipped cream, praline, coconut and vanilla orchid. This is a pretty sweet scent, but like I mentioned, I do really appreciate a sweet scent. And base notes are musk and woody notes. I really like it. It is so nice, and this packaging, even though it is a bit childish and you don't need this cloud, it is just like this, I really appreciate the packaging. It is something a bit different and I think it is cute. So overall, I do like it. Next I have a hair mist, and this is from Atyab. I will put the name below because I can't pronounce this one, but like I said, it is a hair mist. And from the notes, this has only 3 notes. It has vanilla, jasmine and oud. This is so good quality. If I want to wear a scent for like a week, I will choose this one because it stays into my hair for the whole entire week, or until I'm washing my hair. It is so nice. It is a pretty strong scent. Of course, you can apply just 2 sprays and it will be a lighter scent. I really love it. It is very, very good quality. Next I have this one. It has a very, very beautiful bottle. I really appreciate it. And these are the notes. It is very, very strange. I really like this perfume. I smell the spicy notes, but I smell some coconut in there and it's not in the notes, which is very strange. It is a sweet perfume, but again, a very spicy one. I really like this one, but it doesn't stay on my skin the best, which I don't like, but it is a pretty nice one and it is a giant bottle. Next is one of my favorites. It is Lancôme La Vie Est Belle, and I really like it. I did repurchase this one actually. This stays on the skin so well. I really love the scent. These are the notes. It is a pretty popular perfume, but I really love it, so I'm not gonna talk about that too much because it is a pretty known perfume, but I really like it. Next I have another very popular perfume. This is Maison Margiela by the Fireplace. This is so lovely and so different for me. These are the notes. So it has cloves, pink pepper and orange blossom at top notes. Then we have chestnut, wood and juniper, and then vanilla, Peru balsam and cashmere. This for sure was my favorite fall and winter scent. I love it. As you can see, I did use a pretty good amount of it already. It's so nice and it's so different for me because in general, like I mentioned, I really love sweet perfumes. This is not a sweet perfume. It is a very woody and very spicy scent. I adore it, but sadly this is not staying on my skin the best, but still the smell, it's so nice. Not a lot of scents from Maison Margiela are for me because, like I mentioned, I am a pretty basic person when it comes to scents, but this one is different for me, but I still love it. And I have another one from Maison Margiela actually. This one, it is When the Rain Stops, and I'm gonna put the notes in here. I bought this one because I was very curious. A lot of people were talking about it and I couldn't smell it because they didn't have a sample, so I decided to purchase it in a small size. This is not my favorite. It is again very different for my taste. I don't hate it or something like that, but it is pretty green scent. It is an interesting perfume, and as you can see, I did wear it a pretty good amount just because I was very curious about it. But for me, it is smelling like grass, and that is not my favorite thing. But if that sounds interesting to you, this is a nice grass perfume. Next, we have another very popular perfume. This is Marc Jacobs Daisy Love, and I have the notes in here as well. Again, very simple notes. We have cloudberry. I don't know what that is exactly, but is that fruit? Then we have daisy, cashmere musk and driftwood. Again, I don't know what driftwood is, but it is a type of wood apparently. I really like this scent. I mentioned earlier that I don't like florally scents, but this one, it is a bit different. It is a fruity florally scent, so I do like it. Then I want to mention a body spray. This is from Victoria's Secret and it is the Bare Vanilla Noir one. I really love it. This is one of my go-to scents when it's like 11 p.m. so I am preparing to go to sleep. I know that that is so weird, but I do apply perfume to go to sleep because I love smelling nice. It is really great. So this one is not that strong and I just like to spray this one like 2-3 sprays and it is so nice. These are the notes, so it only has pear and vanilla and it is, I almost hit my face with it, but it is really nice. I really like it. Then I have two perfumes from Zara. I do really like Zara perfumes because even though they are not staying on their skin the best, they are very affordable, so in general I do recommend them. I have this one. This is Majestic Opulence and I'm gonna put the notes in here. Actually, I don't love this one that much because it is a bit of a florally perfume, so I think I'm gonna give this one to my mom just because I think that she will like it. It is a more mature scent, even though again that is not a thing, but let's describe it as that because it is a florally scent. It's not that sweet. I think she will like this one. And the other one from Zara that I have, I really like, it is this one called Wonder Rose Summer, but if you are looking at the notes, it doesn't have rose, so I don't know why they name it that, but it has fruity notes as top notes, then jasmine and vanilla, and this is a lovely fruity perfume. I really like it. I will mention again that you can wear whatever, so I'm describing these scents just for the sake of describing, but I feel like this one is a perfume for teens, but I love it, so it is what it is. But if we are comparing this is a more fruity, sweet perfume, but still lightweight, so perfect for teens. And this one is a bit more heavy, more interesting, so I do love this one. I'm gonna give this one to my mom. It is what it is. But these are all my perfumes actually. I really like my fragrance collection, and even though I'm not the best at describing scents, I hope this video was interesting. So if you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.